Okay, so hello grade 9. So, sorry late yung video ko, pero I'm going to make a video regarding radical expression, exponential form to radical expression, rational exponent to radical expression, and last but not the least is the negative rational exponent and two radical expression po. So, isa-isahin ko lang po yan. So, before we begin po, we have radical expression and we have here, this one is a symbol, okay? Which is called the radical sign po. Mahalaga po ito sa radical expression. And we have different parts of radical expression po. So we have the value of n which serve as your index. So it defines kung ano po yung root na iti-take natin. Depende sa given po. Next is the symbol of radical sign. After that, we have the value of a which represent as the radicand po. Okay, so these are the equation, okay, inside the radical sign. Next, okay, so this one is the exponential form. So we're going to rewrite it in radical expression. So paano po natin yung gagawin? So I have here different example. So we have the first one is 5 raised to 4. Wait lang, medyo nag-blurred. Ayan, 5 raised to 4 equals to 625. So in order for us to rewrite it in radical expression, ang lagi nyo pong titignan is the exponent because the exponent serve as the index para sa radical expression po natin. So we have 4. Yan, di gumagana. Then radical sign. Di nagana ang aking ballpen. Okay. Next is the answer doon po sa exponential form. So, which is 625. Okay? So, equals to, so that is the base. So, the base is 5. So, this is how we're going to rewrite an exponential form into radical expression po. Another example po. So we have 7 cubed is equals to 343. So this one is an example of exponential form. Okay, so i-rewrite natin siya sa radical expression. So lagi niyang tingnan yung exponent kasi siya po yung magiging index natin. So that is 3. Then radical sign, copy the answer which is 343, then equals to the base which is 7. So that is how we're going to rewrite exponential form into radical expression po. So hindi ko alam bakit nagbe-blurred siya pusa. Next, we have number 3. So number 3 naman po, we have negative 6 raised to 5th is equals to negative 7,707. 7 po ito. Yeah, 76 po. Puro 7, no? Okay, so in order for us to rewrite it, get first the exponent. So we have 5, then radical sign, then copy nyo po si negative 7,776. Tapos, lakihan lang po natin ng konti yung radical sign natin para abot hanggang dulo po. Okay? Then, equals to, which is the base. Okay, equal po yan, hindi negative po yan. So, equal po yan sa negative 6. So, that is how we're going to solve negative naman po na base sa radical expression po. Okay, so tapos na po tayo dyan. Next, this one is the rational exponent naman po. So wherein we have formula to use. So we have a raised to m over n. Then gagawin po natin siyang radical expression. So ang mangyayari po is the denominator serve as your index. Then radical sign, copy the value of your a. Next is get the value of the numerator which is served as the exponent ng radical po natin. So, meron po tayong formula 1 and may formula 2 po tayo. It's up to you kung ano po yung gagamitin ninyo. Pero, Any of the two naman po will do. Okay, so punta po tayo. Medyo anin ko lang. So we have 81 raised to 1/3. 1/4. So in order for us to rewrite it, so just follow the instruction lang po. Pero kung ako po sa inyo, identify nyo muna kung nasaan po si A. So this 81 serve as your A po. So yun na po si A. Next, yung 1 po dito serve as your M. And that the denominator serve as your N po. So, ngayon na-identify mo na kung sino si A, sino si M, at sino si N. Pwede na po natin siyang i-rewrite using the formula given to us. Okay? So, una muna po ay si N. So, ano po yung value ng N natin? So, we have 4. So, we have the fourth root. Then, radical sign. Then, copy the value of your A, which is 81. Then, since 1 naman po yung M nyo, okay na po kahit hindi na po natin ilagay yon. Ibig sabihin po, automatic or understood na po yan sa mathematics na meron po siyang exponent na 1 po. After we write it, pwede po natin siyang ang tawag doon? I-simplify or evaluate. So, what is the fourth root of 81? Ano ibig sabihin po? Ano po yung number that when we multiply 4 times sa sarili niya, 81 po yung lalabas. So, we have, very good. So, that is 3 po. So, therefore, the answer is 3 because when we multiply 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, so it will give us the value of 81 po. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. Kaya po, 3 yung sagot dito. Okay, next. So, sa number 2, ganun pa din po yung gagawin natin. Identify first. This is the value of your A. This is the value of your M. And this one is the value of your N. Okay? So, copy lang po natin sa formula. So, N first. So, we have the cube root. Then, radical sign. Negative 216. Okay? So, ano kaya ang cube root of negative 216? Ibig sabihin, ano po yung number when we multiply thrice sa sarili niya? 200 or negative 216 ang sagot. Okay? Nice. Okay, very good. So, it is negative. So, since negative po yung radical natin and kung mapapansin nyo po, odd number po yung index natin. So, therefore, the answer is always negative po. So, negative 6, if I'm not mistaken. So, it is negative 6. Because, when we multiply negative 6 times negative 6, that is positive 36. Multiply by negative 6, we will get the value of 200 or negative, should I say, negative 216 po. Okay, so that is how we're going to solve it po. Next po, so this one is the last, the negative rational exponent, which is we're going to rewrite it in radical expression po. So same lang naman po sila ni rational exponent to radical expression. It's just that bawal po kasi magkaroon ng negative sign sa exponent natin. Kaya nga po, we have the law of exponent or law of negative exponent wherein we get the reciprocal. Okay, so hanapin po, ang gulo ko na, hanapin po natin yung reciprocal muna before we rewrite it in radical expression po. So we have the first example, 32 raised to negative 3 over 5th. So dahil po negative po siya, to get the reciprocal, lagi nyo pong alalahanin na meron pong invisible denominator 1 here. So, pag binaliktad po natin yan, ibig sabihin, ito pong si 1, magiging taas na po yan. So, visible na po yan sa taas, over, ayan, yung 32 po, ayan, copy nyo po, 32, tapos from negative 3 over 5, magiging positive 3 over 5 na po siya. Okay? Okay. So, after that, kung mapapansin nyo po, rational exponent na po siya, na positive yung exponent. So, this time, pwede na po natin siyang gamitin or pwede na po natin siyang gawin or rewrite into radical expression. Pero, dahil po mataas yung number ng numerator at denominator, okay lang po bang gamitin ko yung what do you call this? Formula number 2 kasi mas mabilis pong gamitin yon kaysa this one. Ang taas po kasi nito if ever. Okay, so gagamitin ko na lang po yung formula 1. So, magiging 1 over cube root, sorry, hindi cube root. The value of your n is the denominator po. So, identify pala natin, this is your A, this is your M, this is your N. Should I say N? This is your N. Okay? So, ayun, ganun nga. Tama naman. So, we have fifth root. Hindi ko alam kung saan na ako patungo. 32. Tapos, naka-raise po siya all over doon sa cube root. Sorry, hindi cube root. Cube lang pala. Okay? Kasi yun po yung M natin. So, M serve as the exponent para dito po. So, ang gagawin ko po muna is yung PEMDAS. So, parenthesis muna po tayo. What is the fifth root for dito, fifth root of 32. Ibig sabihin po, ano yung number pag minultiply natin ng 5 beses, 32 po yung lalabas. So, very good. So, it is 2. Kasi 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, it will give us the value of 32. Yan. Very good, very good. Okay, so 2. Kaso, itong si 2, naka-raise pa po siya sa cube. Okay? So, naka-raise pa po siya sa cube. Ibig sabihin po, i-simplify pa po natin yan. Hindi pa po ang final answer ay 1/2. So, since naka-raise po siya sa 2, hindi po yan multiply by 3. Okay? 6 ang magiging sagot niya. No, no, no. So, ibig sabihin po, 2 raised to cube, i-multiply mo po si 2 sa sarili niya na 3 beses. Kaya po magkakaroon tayo ng 2 times 2 times 2. So, we will get the value of 8. So, in that way, 1 over 8 po yung final answer natin. Okay? Pero you can use, formula number 1. Medyo pinadali ko lang po ito. Mas madali po kasi sa akin gamitin yung formula number 2 po. Okay? So, yun din naman po yung gagamitin ko sa number 2. So, ganun din po sa number 2. As we get the reciprocal first, so it will become 1 over, hindi ko alam kung kinakaya pa po ng ballpen ko, 27 raised to 2 over 3 po. Okay? So, this one. So, ang gagawin ko po is, i-write ko na po siya into radical expression. I'm going to use formula number 2 po. So, we have cube root of 27, okay, raised to 2 po. Okay, so this is the value of your A, this is the value of your M, and this is the value of your N. So, N is your index, A is your radicand, and the exponent serve as your M po. Okay, so I just follow the formula po. Next, so 1 over, so ano po yung cube root of 27? So, that is 3. Then, raised to squared. So, syempre, hindi pa po tapos tayo dahil may squared pa po yan. So, simplify po natin. So, it will give us the value of 1 over 9. So, therefore, this is the answer po para po sa ating negative rational exponent. And write it in radical expression po. I hope that this video help you somehow para po sa inyong examination tomorrow. So, God bless everyone. Keep it up. Okay? God bless.